Tiptut.
Tiptut turns 4 today. Well, a week or so ago really, but we've had some crazy days in the homestead of late, and the real birthday just flew by. So apologies for being late, and let's get to the numbers. We've grown to a whopping 133,858 subscribers. That's more than the population of St. Catharines City in Canada. You've totaled 8,615,213 views across the channel for a gargantuan 30,540,444 minutes of footage watched. That's the same amount of time as watching the entire director's cut of the Lord of the Rings trilogy 44,649 times. Time well spent. The country with the most viewers is the USA, followed by India and old Blighty itself. Canada has hit top 5, you lovable rascals. Welcome to the fold. With over 300 videos published and thousands of hours of free tutorials, complete courses, discussions, challenges and more, I'm really more proud than ever to say thank you to each and every one of you for being a part of the Tiptut Zone. Here's to the time that's gone and the challenges that lie ahead in year 5. I love you all. Thank you so much for making this possible, and I'll see you next time on Tiptut. Cheers.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.